Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move here to this button. This is the third button from the left. When we tap on this, we can change easily the camera frame, so this is our ratio here, and we can pick 1:1 ratio. As you can see, this is how it changes. This is the square one. The next one here is 4:3, this is the original one. We can also pick 16:9, so this is a little bit longer. And also here we have access to 20:9, so this is the full screen ratio. And as you can see, by tapping on this and picking from these values, we can change it, so this is really easy. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.